In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a voice message from Messenger on your laptop or computer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to save any audio message from your conversations so you can listen to it offline, back it up, or share it more easily. First, open your preferred web browser on your laptop or desktop. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser you like. In the address bar, type in the Messenger website or open Facebook and then click on the Messenger icon to access your messages. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can see the conversation that contains the voice message you want to download. Once Messenger is open, navigate to the chat where the voice message was sent or received. Scroll through the conversation until you find the specific audio clip. Voice messages usually appear as a small audio waveform with a play button. Before downloading, click the play button once to confirm that this is the exact message you want to save. Now, with the voice message located, we need to bring up the browser's developer tools so we can access the audio file behind the scenes. On most browsers, you can do this by pressing the F12 key on your keyboard, or by right-clicking anywhere on the page and selecting Inspect. A new panel will open, usually on the right or at the bottom of your browser window, showing different tabs like Elements, Console, and Network. Click on the Network tab. If you don't see any entries yet, that's okay. Make sure the Network panel is active, and then go back to the Messenger window and play the voice message again. As the message plays, the browser will load the audio file, and you should see new items appear in the Network tab. Look for an entry that is an audio file type, often labeled as audio, media, or with an extension like YMP4 or MPEG. You can usually identify it by its size and by the time it appears when you press play. Once you've found it, click on that entry. A new section will appear with more details about the file. In that details view, look for the direct link or URL to the audio file. There should be an option to open it in a new tab. Click that, and the audio should now load by itself in a clean browser window. Finally, right-click on the audio player and choose the option to save the audio, often labeled Save Audio As. Choose your folder, give it a meaningful file name, and click Save. You've now successfully downloaded your Messenger voice message to your computer.